Right, it's one of them jobs today. Morning. So I've been asked to go and clean a valley out in between the roofs of two houses. There's a leak in the bedroom. I've done it before, but I don't like working outside this time of year. The ground's wet, it's quite high up. I've not been on my ladders for like 3 months. So let's go on down and have a look. Whoa, it's golden this morning. I don't know, some jobs. So, managed to get my van started. I had a flat battery. Now I've got to go on a mission of mercy and deliver some sandwiches to the bro. New battery. I need to get the fan belt checked. And let's go and clean this valley out. Oh, and I just have to stop. Oh, don't you just love this? But anyway, we're here, hanging on. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Right then. So, I'm going to get a nice pole with a hook on the end type thing and drag it out. And you can see the lead flashing. The water's going underneath the tiles. That's not good. Right, so let's sort that out. So then, what I've got is my bucket, can hook, a brush, a scraper to scoop any muck up, and I've got this long pole so I can reach the muck. Let's go and get the job done. So there's a tile slip down there. You can see it caught in the valley, and there's muck on getting caught on that, so that's going to cause an issue, and the rest of it's not too bad. Right, so I've dragged it to here, so now I'm just going to scoop it up and get it in my bucket. Job done. Job done. Took 5 minutes, but it's going to stop the leak